It is in the nature of the creature to defend itself whenever it is attacked. Human history is replete with instances of a powerful enemy attacking a nation and its defense repulsing it. A nation that weakens its defense becomes weak and becomes easy to defeat. In view of this defense, it was decided to build an armed factory near Wah in Pakistan, which was later called Pakistan Ordnance Factories. As stated in the Quran, and prepare against them whatever you are able of power and of steeds, of war by which you may terrify the enemy of Allah and your enemy and other beside them, whom you do not know, but whom Allah knows. And whatever you spend in the cause of Allah will be fully repaid to you, and you will not be wronged. Pakistan Ordnance Factories are situated in the historical Texla Valley, known for its World Heritage Sites and fertile lands. Originally a thriving area, it became a military cantonment due to POF's defense role. Despite the challenges post-partition, Pakistan lacked ordnance factories initially, but with help from the UK, a team of engineers worked tirelessly for nearly a decade to establish the POF. Opening of POF was held on 28 December 1951. It was like building a whole new city with necessary facilities. Initially overseen by a British advisor, the management transitioned to a POF board with Pakistani leadership including Chairman Ghulam Farooq and Lieutenant General Haji Iftikhar Ahmad once the factories were operational. When the factories and facilities firmly established on ground, it was time to create an unmistakable identity and a brand of POF. This was facilitated by two factors: appointment of Major General Muhammad Umrao Khan as the chairman and issuance of POF Ordinance in 1961, which not only gave legal sanction to the powers of the POF board but also set for it a course of action, including opening a window for commercialization. General Khan had access to the president and the finance minister, who greatly helped in pursuing the goal of self-reliance. General Khan served as chairman from July 1961 to October 1966, in which allowed him to implement his agenda of change. He was succeeded by Major General Fazl Mukim Khan, who served as chairman from November 1966 to January 1970. He reinforced the plans and projects of his predecessors, and together they shaped a brand of the POF besides creating a community committed to excellence. 1980s was a period of modernization, innovation, and value addition. The POF not only modified and improved various products, it introduced new brands as well, due in large part to the establishment of the R&D department equipped with a computer-aided design office and other new technologies. It was also the leadership of Lieutenant General Talat Masood as chairman, who had already spent 7 years in the POF in different capacities and was fully conversant with the functioning, strengths and challenges faced by the POF. He stayed at the helm for 7 years, the longest tenure as a chairman. He was succeeded by another dynamic officer as chairman, Lieutenant General Sabih Kamar Zaman. Together they laid a strong technological foundation for the future. This period of relatively smooth industrial relation witnessed a strike by the workmen. The POF's cultural wing plays a vital role and has contribution toward development of the organization. As an international defense manufacturer, more than numbers in terms of exports, there are the performance demonstrators, which lend credence and credibility to the POF as a trusted supplier of high-quality defense equipment and a force behind forces. POF has uncountable number of products which are submachine guns, assault rifles, assault cum sniper rifle, compact assault rifle, machine gun, personal protection and sporting weapons, anti-aircraft machine gun, small arms ammunition, aircraft and anti-aircraft ammunition, tank and anti-tank ammunition, rockets, grenades, military explosives and propellants, commercial explosives and chemical, clothing and personal load carrying equipment, sporting ammunition, miscellaneous products, tungsten carbide products, plastic packing materials, and range of WIL products, and much more. Pakistan's defense industry is a natural outcome of national security compulsions. This was amply demonstrated when Pakistan was subjected to various kinds of arms embargoes, sanctions, and bans, beside unprovoked aggressions. The decision of the first Prime Minister to establish the Ordnance Factories was fully vindicated when we were faced with threats to our national security in the form of arms and foreign sponsored insurgencies. The POF admirably rose to the challenges, meeting the need of armed forces during the war and peace. Indigenously produced arms and ammunition were an asset during the war and internal security operations. So Pakistan has all the right reasons to produce military hardware with reliable domestic capability. A comprehensive national security paradigm warrants well-equipped armed forces, supported by the innovative defense industry. POF Vision carries a roadmap for future development. It focuses on innovation and invention in manufacturing on one hand and enabling support structures, policies and processes on another hand to make defense of nation unbroken so that no enemy can see our country with careless eye.